That you're not gonna be able to skip that. I think we better skip skipping that. It's too big. What if it drops on your foot? Is what Daddy means. Well, then that's even worse. You're gonna throw it and sit on it and go upside down. If you can lift it using the force, you can use it. So beautiful out here.
That was me.
I did. It was you? I thought it was like a seagull. Ha ha ha. That's my hair right now. Ah, well, you can't tell because now we're facing into the wind, so. Yeah, that's so funny. Nellie's so hilarious. What else will she do? No, don't just throw dirt.
No, it's not.
Oh, Nellie.
Wash your hands off, please.
Good thing we have sanitizer in the car. And you see down there, do you see the water? Oh, you see it, huh? Yeah. His hair is really blonde in the sun. That was a big splash. Oh.